Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Nongïalehkai jong ke Sorkar Jylla hakar punya utarik unaitung arajar arpawar. Kala Pynkup Burom yalai spa saungut ki Nongïalehkai ki balawan ra Burom dakabakur Takma naga benta usnem arajar khat hinyau arajar khat pra. Hai ki lempong Nongïalehkai hapokari bat wat cabari rukumjo. Ka jing penlut hakane ka jing Pynkup Burom kala kenjok Palat prapawai lak tingka naga benta khat hinriu tali ki jing Nongïalehkai. Yagane ka jing lang Pynkup Burom lapan long ha ususu tam auditorium Shillong. Hagane ka sngi layadon lang umentri rang ba ka Jylla u konred ki sangma kum u kongsan bad umentri ka Nongïalehkai u ba bantai dor lingdo kum u sembut kongsan. Layadon lang u Dr. Vijay Kumar Commissioner Secretary ka Nongïalehkai ka Sorkar Jylla. US Awasti Under Secretary ka Nongïalehkai ka Director kong WAM Boot ki Nongyalam ke Meghalaya State Olympic Association ki Nongïalehkai bat kiwe.
Areas of infrastructure requirements that are there, which are being addressed as we speak, but much more needs to be done. We realize that a lot of training and capacity building has to be done, which again, a step has been taken, but much more needs to be done. We realize that involvement of technology and scientific approach to sports needs to be introduced, which again, as I said, is started, but a lot more needs to be done. Just this morning, we had a very nice program being organized in collaboration with MSOA and Edge 10, an organization that has an expertise in talent hunting, especially in terms of sports. And we realized that it's important to not just be able to pick up the talent at an early age, which is very important, we all know, as people who are in sports and in associations, that if we are able to develop the instinct at an early age, there is more impact in the outcome ultimately in terms of how the performance of the individual is. So rather than picking them up once they cross a certain age, it's better if we are able to identify the talent earlier. But apart from being able to identify the talent, being able to also tell you that you may love a particular sport because you watch it very often, but your talent actually is in another game, simply because of the way you're built or the skills that you have. So it's important also to place the individuals in different activities as per their physical, mental capacity and emotional capacity also. So all of these things are very much necessary in today's world when it comes to sports. And I'm happy to inform you that the sports policy of the state government has tried to address all the concerns in these areas, realize where we are today and where we would like to go in the future.
Athletes, we are very proud of you all winning a medal.
Yes, we are confident that we will get sufficient numbers and we will cross the halfway mark. That's what I had mentioned. And regarding formation of the government, of course, it's a matter we'll look at it at an appropriate time. But our commitment to our partners has always been there. We have worked very closely in the past also. And in the future also we'll work together. But what I have mentioned is that we are a party that is confident that we will get and we will cross the halfway mark is what I mean. No, I mean there is, and that's the reason I told my leaders and workers that we must not take anything for granted. We have to work very hard. Election is always tough and it's not easy and fair. So yes, we have to work hard, but I'm sure that all the hard work and all the work that we're doing now and in the next few months, that we should do well in the coming.